Hello beautiful people, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Today we have another interesting video I would love to share. To my friends out there, especially salary earners, okay? And not just that, even businessmen. So if you know you normally keep money somewhere but you don't really know what normally happens, like you will get money before you know it's finished. You can't even give account of it. Some of them are not ordinary things, some of them are spiritual. So I want you to do this for me and you will come back to testify. I am assuring you that. Okay, so if you need to subscribe to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon beside it for notification, okay? Alright, so let's go straight to the video. When you get your salary, in fact, before you get your money, get coconuts for me. You can see the three eyes of coconut. I made this video a few days ago and I've started receiving so many testimonies. Congratulations to the people that tried it. It's really working for them. Now let's go straight. When you get it, you have to open from the mouth. I told you in my previous video, coconut has two eyes and one mouth, okay? Whenever you want to make this prayer, always tell this coconut, as the two eyes of coconuts are closed and cannot see, so shall the eyes of the evil ones, so shall the eyes of the every bad spirit monitoring me be closed for my prosperity, okay? No, they won't see it. Then open from the mouth. Use the water to wash your face, your hand, and your feet. Your face, especially your face, it is the first thing people look at. Okay? Your hand is what you're going to use to touch the money, and your feet is what you're going to use to step in where the money is. So these three places are very much important. Alright? So after washing it, you have to go. You can throw the flesh away or you can eat it. I told you in my previous video, okay? Either you throw it away or you eat it. So just choose anyone you want to do, but you don't need to share it with anybody. So when you are back from the place of the place you picked your money, or you collected the money rather, get alligator pepper. This is spirit. It has so many uses. Like one, you can use it to dry up milk in breastfeeding mothers. You can chew this and it's gonna help you dry up the milk. So if you have low BP, you can be chewing at least 2 seed morning and evening. It's gonna increase the BP. So if you have high BP before, don't chew it. It's gonna increase it more. If you want to perform more in the other room, this is for men. You can use this to prepare one to add one or two to add to one or two things, and it's going to help you and energize you to perform well in the other room. Okay, that is the so in my next video I will be telling you more and more uses of this alligator pepper, both for male and female, and then general uses. So if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe. Like I was saying, when you are back with the envelope, make sure you put it in an envelope, okay? White envelope or brown envelope. When you are back from that place, get me this alligator pepper 7. Make sure you speak to it. Make sure you tell this alligator pepper what you want the alligator pepper to do for you. If it's to protect you, it can protect. This alligator pepper can be used to fight so many spiritual things. Once you get it, put the 7 inside the envelope. And look, listen to me. This is what you'll be doing every month, every three days. I told you it is 7 seed. Okay, yeah. Every three days, you have to reshuffle the money. Bring all of them out and reshuffle it. Even if armed robber comes to that house, they won't see that money. I'm telling you, no matter their jars, this is anti-poison, anti-charm, anti-anything. Just that 7 will do a lot of things. After 3 days, you reshuffle the money. After another 3 days, you have to come back and reshuffle the money. You will notice that spiritual thief will stop stealing from you. Okay? And make sure you testify to it. Thank you so much, darling friends. And I always tell you guys this. Whenever you learn anything new, don't keep it to yourself. Share to friends and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.